And now, some fresh pickings from the political grapevine. The University of Notre Dame is not the only Catholic institution raising eyebrows when it comes to President Obama. Officials at Georgetown University covered a monogram symbolizing the name of Jesus because it was inscribed on the stage where the president spoke Tuesday. The White House asked for all symbols to be covered at the lecture hall. A university spokeswoman tells Cybercast News, quote, the White House wanted a simple backdrop consistent with what they've done for other policy speeches. The monogram, IHS, which comes from the Greek for Jesus, was covered with a triangle of black painted plywood. Catholic League President Bill Donohue says, quote, the cowardice of Georgetown to stand fast on principle tells us more than we need to know. But the bigger story is the audacity of the Obama administration to ask a religious school to neuter itself before the president speaks there. But a White House spokesman tells Fox, quote, decisions made about the backdrop for the speech were made to have a consistent background of American flags, which is standard for many presidential events, and the suggestions to the contrary are simply false.